and this is my closet. I'm so excited because I'm unboxing a Bless box today. I'll get the subscription and then I'll cancel for a couple months because their products are so great and there's so much of it, I can't keep up with using it all. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much. I so appreciate you stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of future videos, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have met so many wonderful people doing YouTube. That alone is just worth it. The other note is, don't forget I have my August giveaways going on. You can win a Stitch Fix gift card, you can win a Luxury Diva box, and you never know if I'm going to throw something else in there. I will link the video below and above with the rules for how to enter that. So let's get into it. Bless Box is a female-owned company, and she is so sweet. Enjoy it, babe. It comes very nicely wrapped. Again, you can get it monthly, quarterly. The longer you get the subscription, the cheaper it is. And I think I used a coupon code with this, so I will leave exactly how much I paid. I will leave the link in case you want to order one, and I think they might be offering coupon codes for that as well. You open it up, so full of goodies that they fall all over. So let me pick them up. The first thing is the card with everything that's in there, so we're not going to cheat. The next thing is $10 off at Bliss. What? With every purchase, we give a portion of our proceeds to charity. So, and then there's a gift certificate for $10 at Bliss. So that's very nice. I know a lot of YouTubers buy the boxes based on the fact that they things get donated to charity. Free Revlon Boost Erase. Oh, it's root erase. I'm like, Boost Erase. It's for roots. If you have gray hair, just had mine done, so I'm good for a couple more weeks. And on the top, there's just so much stuff, because you know if I pick it up, it's going to go everywhere. So, the first thing is Summer's Eve Fresh Cycle Cleansing Costs. So there is 4 of those. And if you travel like I do in an RV or a camper, these are a godsend. That's all I'm going to say. So these are awesome. The next thing, they always put in a snack, and these are Yes Peas from Pop Chips. They're gluten-free. They're feeling a little small. The smaller the food, the better chance it gets on the floor. So I'll eat these outside, but they look good. Okay. The next thing is Fruit Infusion True Lemon Mint Flavored Water Enhancer. Oh, these are awesome. So this one is lemon, and this one is lemon strawberry. So I am going to pack these up because they are going to go traveling with me. So those are really nice. The next thing is called Drink Up Argan and Hibiscus Soothing Silver Sparkling Sheet Mask, made in the USA. I mean, you can kind of feel there's a lot of product in here. Loving a good sheet mask. And don't forget, I'm going to Chicago next week So I'm going to do a sheet mask of the day video. So I'm going to pick out all the masks I'll be using, my hair mask, my face mask, my eye masks, my lip masks, and let you know, and then I will combine it in one video for my sheet masks. The next thing is Kiss New York Detoxifying Charcoal Wash Off Mask. Oh, there we go. So just in this box alone, I have 2 masks. So I'll have to like narrow it down. And I've seen people use these charcoal masks and they rave about them. So that will definitely be in my mask video. The next thing is Protect Heat Serum. Look at this cute little bottle. The little top. And it's not a spray. You can put leave-in lotion on wet or dry hair in sections prior to heat styling. No, so if I were to go style my hair, if I had a curling iron, I can just put it on. I forgot to bring a curling iron up here. So that looks like a really nice product. Then we have GYV Mango. Don't know what it is though, but it is mango. Is it a cream? It's like, oh my gosh. It smells like I should be by a pool. But there's not much in it. I don't know if you can see that. There's really not a whole lot in it. So I'm assuming it's like a body lotion. We'll find out at the end. And then the last thing, I think, they put all these little white things that I get all over, is wireless earbuds. And I have wanted these forever. So I'm pretty excited that I got them. I just looked at Walmart the other day to buy some. So it's got the little cord, some little extras, and the wireless thing in the bag. I know my boyfriend is going to appreciate this because I always listen to my YouTube videos in the car when we go on long trips, and he turns up the radio and I turn up the volume, so these will be really good. So that is everything that I got in this box, which I thought was fantastic. So let's go over the pricing as I clean up my mess. Okay, so this was July, summertime. And the Crescent Bluetooth headphones, $99.99. And they were expensive at Walmart. I think that's why I didn't buy them. So that is awesome. The Protect Heat Serum is $29.99. The face mask in Drink Up or Clarity is $4.99. The peas, the Yes Peas, are $1. The Fresh Cycle cleansing cloths are no price. Maybe that was just a gift. The charcoal wash off mask, $9. The hand cream, which I didn't see, is $4. So I don't know if maybe you got a choice, but I didn't see no hand cream in there. And fruit infusions in lemon mint or lemon strawberry is $3.99. So I didn't see the little, unless this is the hand cream, but in the picture it's a big tube of hand cream, and this is just a little thing. So yeah, it was definitely a nice box. So let me know what you thought of it. Again, I will leave a link with the price, how much I paid for it below, but it's definitely well worth it just by getting the headphones. A little disappointed that I didn't get hand cream, but you know what? I have so much hand cream. So you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.